Did you know that filling raised beds such as this can be done in a few simple steps, and it can save you time as well as money? Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're standing in front of the elevated raised bed that we put together from our Vigo a few months back. We are going to fill this, and I'm going to show you the steps that I normally, or I'm going to show you the steps that I'm going to do for this particular bed. Being that this is a self-watering bed, or wicking bed, what I did was put down some gravel in the holes here in the uh, bottom of the bed. And now, unlike what I normally do, where I fill the bed with organic matter, all I'm going to do now is just take the soil and pour it directly into the bed. And lucky for me, I was able to go to my local Walmart. It They were having a sale on end of the season sale on some gardening soil. This is from Miracle Grow, and we're just going to use that and pour it in here. If you remember, I mentioned that I wanted to grow carrots in this bed. So carrots, maybe some garlic, and um, some radishes. So being that we're growing primarily root vegetables, I won't be putting as much nitrogen as I normally put in, but I will be putting in about double the bone meal that I normally put in. So let's get started. So that's bag number one. I have 5 bags that I bought. I'm not sure if all 5 will be needed, but we're going to go ahead and add as many as needed and then come back and add the amendments. So as you can see, we have the bed filled. Now it did take 5 of those bags, and each bag was 1 cubic liter. So basically 5 of those. So now we're going to go ahead and put our amendments in, and then we're going to fill both of these with water. So we have bone meal, I'm sorry, blood meal, bone meal, perlite, and some of my homemade Vigo made compost. So what we're going to do, and you've probably seen this in other videos I've done, we're going to add perlite, We're going to dump in the compost. And remember, since we're adding or growing rather predominantly root vegetables, we want more bone meal than nitrogen. So let's add 3 handfuls. And with the bone meal, blood meal, always screw that up. We're going to add just a handful. Maybe a little bit more. Then we're going to take our hand rake and mix everything in well. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I showed you how you could fill a normal size raised bed for little to nothing and how easy it actually is. I hope you got something out of it. I hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I will reply. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but one thing I cannot grow is a channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also. So it's okay to share. Until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.